Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to recover Deepseek account password. So if you also want to recover Deepseek account password, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Deepseek application. You can see over here Deepseek application has been opened. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your Deepseek account but if you have forgotten your password, in that case you'll have to recover your password. Recovering the password is actually very simple. In this interface over here you'll be able to find the option for forgot password. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to reset your password. All you have to do is provide the email address associated with Deepseek account over here. Simply enter your email address, tap on the field for email address. Now enter your email address over here. After that, what you have to do is tap on the send code option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, a verification code will be sent to your email. All you have to do is open Gmail. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Deepseek has sent me an email. All you have to do is tap on it. Now over here you'll be able to find the verification code. All you have to do is memorize this code. Now go back to the Deepseek application. Now enter that code over here. Now after you enter the code, simply tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to reset the password. All you have to do is enter new password and confirm the password over here. Simply enter the new password. Create a very strong password for yourself. After that, what you have to do is confirm the new password. Simply re-enter the password. Now after you enter the password, what you have to do is tap on the option reset password that you can see on the screen. Now after that, your password will be recovered. Now you'll be able to log into your account. Simply enter your credentials. Make sure to enter the new password over here. After that, what you have to do is tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be able to log into your account with your new password. So that is how you recover Deepseek account password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.